Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salma Salsabilah, and today I will present my work titled Strategic Change and Readiness in BCA Digital Transformation. In this presentation, I will explain how BCA manages its digital transformation process, how the organization prepare for the change, and what strategies made this transformation successful. Company background. PT Bank Sentral Asia Tbk or BCA is one of Indonesia's large private banks. It was established in 1957 and has served millions of customers across the country for decades. Over time, financial service changed a lot. People no longer want to go to physical branches for every transaction. They wanted fast, easy, and mobile access to banking service. HR realized this shift and saw digital transformation as an important step to stay competitive. During the COVID-19 pandemic, digitalization became even more urgent. Many customers switched to online banking for safety and convenience. That's why BCA decided to launch Blue by BCA Digital, a digital banking platform designed for young and tech-savvy users. Through the initiative, BCA didn't just follow the trend, it adapted to a new business model that fits the digital era. Digital transformation timeline. Let's look at how BCA digital transformation happened step by step. In 2019, BCA acquired Bank Royal Indonesia. This was a strategic move to start developing its own digital banking platform. In 2020, BCA built strong digital infrastructure, connected its system, and created internal teams to design the ecosystem for Blue. In 2021, the company officially launched Blue by BCA, a mobile app made for customers who are familiar with digital platforms and prefer a simple app-based experience. From 2022 until now, BCA continues to improve features in chain data security, expand vintage partnership, and focus on user experience. The timeline showed that BCA didn't transfer overnight. It went through a structured process from acquisition, preparation, to continuous development, showing careful planning and long-term vision. Adopted change strategy. To handle this large-scale transformation, BCA used a combination strategy, mixing economic and developmental approach. This combination is very important because digital transformation affects both technology and people. On economic side, BCA focused on improving efficiency, competitiveness, and investment in digital infrastructure. They developed a reliable IT system, built digital infrastructure, and integrated them with existing banking operation. This allowed BCA to provide faster and more secure service while reducing manual processes. On the developmental side, BCA involved employees in the transformation process. They encouraged participation in innovation projects and provided internal training so employees could adapt to new systems. Leadership also played a big role. BCA top management consistently showed commitment and clear direction to ensure the change was understood and accepted by everyone in the organization. By combining both sides, economic efficiency and human development, BCA ensures that digital change wasn't only about technology, but also about people. Change readiness. The readiness can be analyzed through three main factors: the need for change, leadership and direction, also planning. First, the need for change was very strong. During the pandemic, digital banking became essential. Customer habits shift quickly. They want to open accounts, make transactions, and manage finance online. At the same time, the new digital banks were emerging, increasing competition in the industry. BCA had to respond fast to keep its position as a trusted bank. Second, leadership and direction were clear and consistent. BCA top management recognized the digital shift, early and made strategic decisions to lead the process. The acquisition of Bank Royal Indonesia and its rebranding into BCA Digital were concrete steps showing that leaders didn't just talk about change, they act on it. Third, planning was detailed and realistic. The Blue platform was designed to connect with BCA existing infrastructure. They also ensured the employee system and technology were also ready to support this new digital environment. The three factors together showed that BCA was well prepared and had a high level of readiness for digital transformation. Readiness category and implication. Based on the analysis of those three elements, need, leadership, and planning, BCA reached what's called the successful change possible condition. This means the organization has strong motivation, clear direction, and proper preparation. It also means that BCA had no major internal resistance or unclear vision. With the readiness, the company was able to implement its transformation smoothly and effectively. This level of readiness what makes the difference between organizations that only plan for change and those that actually achieve it. Action for successful change. To make sure the change continues successfully, BCA focus on several ongoing actions. First is investing in people. The company continues to provide training and development programs so employees can master digital tools and systems. Next is keeping open communication. Leaders regularly communicate with teams to make sure everyone understands the goals and progress of transformation. Next is monitoring and evaluation. BCA tracks the result of each initiative, review performance, and adjust strategies if needed. The last is encouraging innovation. The company motivates employees to create new ideas and digital solutions that improve customer experience. This step helps BCA maintain consistency and ensure that digital transformation keep improving over time. Sustaining long-term change. Achieving change is one thing, but maintaining it is another. BCA understands that digital transformation is a continuous journey. To sustain long-term success, BCA integrates innovation into daily operation. They make sure that every department stays flexible and ready to adapt to new technologies and market trends. They also build a culture of continuous improvement where employees are encouraged to learn, innovate, and contribute to progress. Leadership commitment remains the key driver. When the leaders continue to support innovation and flexibility, the organization can grow stronger even as technology keeps changing. Result. The result of BCA transformation are clear. The combination of economic and developmental strategy allowed the company to balance efficiency with human growth. This approach helped BCA reach stability during digital expansion, operational process become more efficient, customer satisfaction increased, and employee readiness improved. BCA successfully reached the stage of successful change possible, meaning the transformation was not only achieved but also sustainable. In short, BCA readiness built through strong leadership, detailed planning, and focus on people made the digital transformation process both smooth and effective. So, in conclusion, BCA Digital Transformation through Blue by BCA Digital is a clear example of how proper change management can lead to success. The company proved that digital transformation isn't just about using new technology, but preparing people, building strong leadership, and creating a clear vision. BCA balance between efficiency and human development shows that change can be both strategic and sustainable. This case provides a valuable lesson for other organizations that want to lead digital transformation because success comes from readiness, planning, and commitment to continuous growth. So these are the reference I use for this analysis. There are four article news that I searched in the internet. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.